guys, and welcome to my channel. I have another unboxing for you, and today it's not a bag, finally. It's a pair of shoes, and I fell in love with this the moment I saw the Pausa collection. They're so beautiful and they're so versatile. They go well with so many outfits. They're great for work, for going out. I love this. They are Chanel Mary Jane shoes. If you like my content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Without further ado, let me show this to you. So beautiful. I really like this Christmas packaging. I always keep this. They are so nice. And here is the box. I haven't seen them since they were bought. There is a care instruction, the bags for each shoe to protect each item. I have two of those. Two. And I will remove the paper. I absolutely love this. They're so beautiful. The heel is not very high. There is a CC logo in silver, which is great. The front, they're very comfortable. Nowadays I tend to go for the round shoes because they're just so comfortable, and I like the leather. It's soft, but I don't know, I think it's cuff leather. And I like the fact that there is no logo anywhere. They're simple. Sensational here, made in Italy. They would look great with so many outfits, with dresses, with jeans. I will actually include the footage of me trying it on in the store. I love the fact that they're so comfortable and the heel is not very short. They're just perfect for me. In the past, I used to wear shoes with a super high heel, but nowadays I try to go for a block heel that is not very high. Well, I still wear my high heels, but I notice that I just tend to reach for more comfortable shoes, smaller heel. Nowadays, I tend to go for comfort. I tend to go for more functional items, whether it's shoes or bags. Just because it's pretty, it doesn't mean I have to have it. I want to be able to wear it and enjoy it without feeling pain walking in it. Some people say, you know, like shoes are meant to be pretty, and so what that if they're painful, it doesn't work for me. You know, why to overcomplicate life? Like, things should be simple. They should serve a purpose. If they are simply beautiful and you don't feel comfortable in them, why to have them? So that's my stand. I saw these shoes in silver with a much smaller heel, and they were so beautiful. A friend of mine bought them. They looked amazing. They're very comfortable. But since I already purchased Mio Mio flat shoes, ballet shoes with the straps, it kind of didn't make sense for me to purchase another silver almost flat shoes. So yeah, I just have to make sure I wear what I have instead of it getting spoiled in my wardrobe. I try to use my items nowadays. I don't want to just hoard things anymore. So my husband would like to know that as well. I really like the shoes. They are so 60s style. My favorite fashion was in 60s and 90s, and I like the modern version of the 90s nowadays. It's so beautiful. Mom style jeans, puff sleeves. It's so pretty. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. And here is my Instagram account. Do let me know if you have any questions about the shoes, bags, or any other purchases that I made, and I'm always very happy to connect with you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!